Curtis Owens of FBK Customs. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, everybody. God bless America.
God bless America. What size motor you got here?
392.
Yay! Roar, make it roar and get up on that mound so we can do the national anthem. Ladies and gentlemen, the FBK Jeep, Curtis Owens, FBK Customs, one of the great shops here in the Myrtle Beach area that can do any type of customization on your off-road vehicle. In fact, their slogan is from tall to small, we lift them all. So what he's going to do is climb up on the mound over there so everybody can get a good look at that flag. We'll play the national anthem, we'll say the Pledge of Allegiance, and then Rich Hannigan is going to come up and commemorate today's event, and then we're going to play Lee Greenwood's favorite song, God Bless the USA. How many patriotic Americans do we have here today, ladies and gentlemen? So glad to have every single one of you. Thank you for coming to Jeep Jam. If you have a hat on, remove your hat. Put your right hand over your heart, left side, and let's enjoy the national anthem.
Can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets red glare, the bombs bursting in the air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave.
Say it with me, ladies and gentlemen. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Man, that feels good, doesn't it, ladies and gentlemen? Patriotic Americana full blast out here as we celebrate the American Jeep.